Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with YouTube at 2026. But first I will need to note that Canva supports YouTube publishing via its content planner and YouTube Studio API for the business and brand accounts. So you will need at first to go to the canva.com and log in with your account, and then just open or create a video design. So for example, I will go with that example right here, as you can see. So here I do really want you just to go and click on the share button that's located on the top right corner. And after that, just go and click on schedule option. So that option requires the Canva Pro and the Canva Teams. Okay, so here you will need to click it, and then you will be able to see an option that says add social accounts. So just click it, and then choose YouTube and sign in to your Google account linked to YouTube. Allow permissions for Canva to manage your YouTube videos right there, and choose whether to post to your personal YouTube channel, your brand channel. Even you can add title, description, tags, thumbnails, and schedule date and time. Then just click on schedule. Also, you can go with the apps option on the left hand menu or the left bar, right? So right here, all you need to do is to go and use the search bar, type right there YouTube, and then just to choose the YouTube app, and after that just go with connect and connect your YouTube account or your Google account that's linked to YouTube. And right here you will need just right now to add the title, description, visibility, tags, extra, and go with publish now. And as I told you, once connected, you can upload and schedule YouTube videos from Canva directly, set thumbnails and descriptions during scheduling, and post to multiple channels if you have multiple brand channels. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.